Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply a visa to Fiji online. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So my intention is to show you how to navigate through this service, and if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you I have opened official immigration website of the government of Fiji. So if you scroll down, the first is I'm showing you like visa exempt countries. So just for the purpose of tourism, these country citizens do not need a visa, but again based on the purpose you may need, right? So that's why it's really important. Generally for like tourist visas, a lot of countries don't need, but anyway. Now how you're gonna apply for a visa? So they have a link, online application for permits and visa. If you click on this, it opens a new page. So you can click on checklist, and then it's going to tell you what are the documents you need, and they are going to accept only PDF files. So make sure you make copies of your documents in the PDF format. Application to lodge, okay, and then and if you have any unsure what to apply, you can send an email to. And then like you will get a notification where you will get the instructions how to pay. You need to pay and then upload that payment receipt on this link. And other instructions are general, like if you miss important document, they are gonna refuse it, and then after payment only they are gonna process. So what are the details they need? Name, date of birth, email, phone number, address. Wow, this time address is not a mandatory field. Nearest office, if you see, for overseas there is one option, applying from overseas. New application or extension, application type, long term work permit, new work permit, extension of work permit, new investor permit, balance of investor permit, study permit, research permit, visitor permit, extension. So you need to find out first of all which one you need, and that you can do. Okay. So upload documents, this you'll get from the checklist, and maximum 200 meg. Okay, upload all required documents, and you can upload multi. See browse files. This is for application form and employment contract, sponsor letter. So based on your situation, you're gonna upload that. Then you're gonna submit, and then they will get an email. Now let's take a look at the checklist. So in checklist here you have on the right hand side that so if I click on any of these, we can find out what exactly is application forms. You can see, so Fiji visa, if you click, yeah, multiple visa permit, and also we can get the details of fee as well, and this is in Fijian dollars. Okay, so let's see how does it look like. Okay, I was able to open it this time. 3 passport size photographs, same details that we were. Now here you will have additional questions. So it's a very simple form. So based on your situation, you're gonna pick the form and then upload as we have seen. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.